Today we're making a homemade lemon vinaigrette. It's really easy and takes about 5 minutes. Start with lemon zest, and of course you're going to want some fresh lemon juice. You may need more than 1 lemon because you're going to require about 1/4 cup of the juice. There you go, 1/4 cup. Add minced garlic, lemon zest, some Dijon mustard, that's the emulsifier, kosher salt, and black pepper. Then add the lemon juice. Whisk it together just to combine it quickly, and then you drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil. You add it just a little bit at a time to start, and then just a consistent drizzle while you whisk really fast. And that's it, a light, tangy, delicious dressing for all of your summer salads. Enjoy.